user-friendly, but Y2K-proof as well. Don't fall victim to fear. Call Tangible Asset Galleries today to learn more about America's leading asset insurance, rare gold coins. Ask for our free information package.
Tomorrow on CNBC Squawk Box.
Boeing, IP, GE, DuPont, Chase. It's the mother of all CEO summits, and you'll meet them all.
CNBC Squawk Box, tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern. Profit from it.
Love songs all the time. If you come and be my sweet baby mine, 'cause
Now that medical researchers believe cigarettes are a leading cause of impotence, you're going to be looking at smoking a little differently. Cigarettes. Still think they're sexy?
At Davidson Lake, we've been selling fine diamonds since 1916.
Well, that's a beautiful diamond.
All our diamonds are GIA certified and laser inscribed for personal identification and security.
Really?
That's right. It guarantees that the diamond you bought is the same diamond on the certificate.
How much is this one?
$100.
I'll take it.
Yes.
Alex, it wasn't $100, it was $10,000.
Dad, you know I've always hated math.
Welcome back to Power Lunch. I'm Bill Griffith. Coming up this half hour, today's halftime report. It's our complete recap of the day in the market so far, and the boys from Dow Jones Newswires will also be checking in from their newsroom. Then in our personal finance segment, we'll be talking about ways to reduce not only your capital gains, but your estate taxes as well. Financial planner Jonathan Satowski is with us today. He'll be taking your phone calls about that later this half hour. But first, Sue Herrera has today's business headlines so far. Sue.
With one of my favorite topics, Bill, it's steady as they go for retail sales. April's results top our latest business headlines. Specialty apparel retailers, including the Gap, Talbots, and the Limited, all enjoying gains last month. But the Big Five chain stores came in with mixed results. They say that their April sales got a bit dented because the Easter holiday came a week earlier this year. The biggest retailer, Walmart, still managed to bag a 4.6% increase. Kmart also showing more strength, but JCPenney, Sears, and Dayton Hudson all slipped just a bit last month. As for how the shares of the Big Five are faring on Wall Street today, it's been kind of a mixed bag there as well. We have Walmart down just about 2.5%, JCPenney down as well, a little bounce for Kmart and Sears, and a loss of better than 2 for Dayton Hudson. On the earnings front, Seagram's music unit is sounding all the right notes for the entertainment and liquor giant. Seagram watching its revenue soar 61% to $3.2 billion. The company coming in at a loss of 50 cents a share, which is smaller than the 54-cent loss the street has been expecting. But Seagram's slumping film business expects to continue losing money over the next several quarters. As for how Wall Street's reacting, up 1 3/16 to 60 1/8 on that stock right now. Last year's devastating Hurricane Mitch producing some positive third-quarter results for Fresh Del Monte. The fruit marketer posting a profit of 22 cents, 4 cents ahead of estimates. Revenues moved ahead by 11% to $390 million. The company points to higher banana and pineapple prices for the increase. Shares of Fresh Del Monte up 1/8 at 13. So you're up to date from the business news desk. Back over to you, Bill. See you in a half hour or so.
Sue, thank you very much. We'll see you then. All right, let's see who the winners and losers are so far in today's trading. Let's go to Michelle Caruso-Cabrera with this hour's Sector Watch. Michelle.
Hi, Bill. We're seeing a lot of stories, a lot of news moving the specific sectors today. For example, the top performing sector right now is services and services/facilities environmental. That's what Standard & Poor's calls the sector. And that's because there's a company in there, Dames & Moore, which is up more than 25% today on news that it's agreed to be acquired by URS Corp for about $16 per share cash, or about $300 million. So that's why we're seeing some strength there. Aluminum is strong as well. Don't think that's the cyclical rotation that we were seeing before. It's instead because Reynolds Metal is up 4% on rumors that it is in merger talks with a Swiss company. That's why we're seeing some strength there. And long distance up 2.7%. No secret what's going on there. AT&T is up 5 points, nearly 9%, excuse me, on the news that it's reached not just they're winning in the bidding, but it's also because of their broad alliance now with Microsoft that we've heard so much about this morning. What's not doing so well today? Long-term care down more than 8%. That is, again, because of a stock within the sector that is really moving it. HCR Manor Care, symbol HCR. You can see down nearly 10% today. That's the intraday chart. You know, Bill, I think it was about a week ago today. In fact, we could have put a different stock here. It would have been the same story. It was IHS. What's happening here is poor earnings. HCR came in 2 cents short of expectations, 43 cents versus 45 cents. And as you can see, the stock's been hit hard in the last year. The whole sector's been hit hard, and there's several reasons for that. First of all, there's been Medicare reform. Medicare reform basically means, bottom line is that the government's been paying these companies less. These are nursing homes, and they're not getting as much money for their Medicare patients. So that's really cut revenues in a big way. In addition, there was a lot of hopes that there would be mergers and consolidations. Those have been unrealized. In addition,